Now this video is to show you the importance of the echogenicity of the gallbladder wall in case of some abscess or acute appendicitis or any of the condition which is associated with the increase in the WBC count. So whenever there is an increase in the WBC count, uh, there is a consistent finding that I had observed in the uh, gallbladder. What is this finding is that you will have this type of gallbladder having very sharp and hyperechoic, uh, too much hyperechoic wall of the gallbladder, which is which I had observed this as a consistent finding in case of in any case which is associated with increase in the WBC count. So this is the case of left lobe pyogenic liver abscess, and this liver size is normal. It is 13.4 centimeter right lobe in AP view. But what is the remarkable finding of this gallbladder is that it is having very sharp hyperechoic wall. Although the wall thickness is not so much increased, or thickness is not so much appreciated, but the thing is that the wall echogenicity is quite increased. This is the abscess in the left lobe of the liver. Patient was having complaint of fever since 10 days. You can see this. Just see that how this bright wall of this gallbladder is very much bright. You can see. And second thing, that this kind of brightness we will appreciate it when we will put the probe in the right hypochondrial region, not in this view. In this view, you see that this gallbladder is not looking so much, this wall is not appreciated hyperechoic too much in comparison to this view. Okay, so just whenever the summary of this video is that whenever you see this kind of hyperechoic gallbladder wall in while placing the probe in the right hypochondrial region and getting the section of liver like this, you always suspect of some condition in which there is an increase in the WBC count, especially just find for the liver abscess, appendicitis, or GI pathology, infective GI pathology. Actually, in fact, I had missed this abscess in the right lobe of liver because I had not seen this liver properly. I just scanned the right lobe, and it was looking normal in size. You see this size of this liver, right lobe was normal, so I was not so much concerned, but the patient told that he is having complaining the right epigastric region, and when I looked it very carefully, then I saw this liver abscess which was about to miss in my finding. I will show you the normal gallbladder wall. What is the echogenicity? Yes, here you see this. This is the gallbladder, and this echogenicity is not so much as I showed you in the previous. Here we cannot appreciate it so much. If I can get some better view, then I will show you. Yes, in this I think we can get it. Hope so. No, no. Okay, I will make a separate video. Thank you.